Hi friends, welcome to another story time. My name is Alex and today we're going to read a spring story. This book is called The Spring Book by Todd Parr. Wake up, spring is coming. I'm hungry, said this friend. And on the calendar, if you notice, it says March. Every day the weather is different. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's snowy, sometimes it's windy, and sometimes it's sunny. Trees are blooming. Look at that. The cherry blossoms are out. Everything is turning green. Even the people and all the creatures are green. And change is in the air. And these friends are celebrating International Women's Day. We celebrate that in March. Spring is here. Birds are singing. Babies are being born. So this rabbit mommy had a lot of rabbit babies. We are cleaning out our closets. Toy donation. And friends, spring is a great time for spring cleaning because if you have things you no longer use, you can put them together and donate them or give them to someone you know who might need them. And planting gardens. Spring is a great time to start planting your favorite fruits, vegetables, herbs, or anything in between. Said the big elephant, and the poor birdie was startled. He was scared. Spring is a time of the year to learn new things. And look, the sheep are learning to play with a ball. And here is a special note. Okay, well then, I'm going to stop writing this book. And I'm going to open my first restaurant, Tacos Todd's. The end. Love, Todd. So the author, Todd, decided to open a restaurant, Taco Todd's. April Fools, he got us. So April Fools is celebrated on April 1st, and that's when you can make silly jokes, such as the one that Todd just did to us. Silly Todd. Springtime is always time to dance in the rain. So these friends are taking advantage of the rain and they're having a dance party in the rain. Ooh, ooh. Celebrate traditions with family and friends. So there are quite a few celebrations during spring. During spring, Passover is celebrated and Easter. Played hide and seek. So you might be engaging in different celebrations during the spring. And love the earth. Spring, it's also a time to celebrate the earth, friends. On April 22nd, it is Earth Day. And it's a great day to appreciate all the beauty that we have on Earth. We have beautiful oceans and lakes. We have so many beautiful animals living in the forest, the jungle. We also have animals living in the Arctic. And we can go on adventures such as hiking. Springtime is for festivals. And this is a song in Spanish. De colores se visten los campos en la primavera. This means that all the fields are dressed up with colors during the spring. And eating fresh fruits and vegetables. So during the spring, there is a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables in season. having picnics. The warmer weather calls for you to go outside and enjoy a picnic. Hugging moms on Mother's Day and every day. And it's a great opportunity to give moms some love and honoring heroes. So this is the Memorial Day celebration where we celebrate all the veterans. This happens in the last week in May. Now go roll down some hills. Happy spring. Spring is a time of the year to celebrate special holidays and discover all the beautiful things on the earth. The end. Love, Todd. Friends, that is the end of this spring story. Until next time, bye.